Hello gardening friends, welcome to Backyard Basics. I'm John Drumgoole. Look, these are some of my favorite gloves at home. I can do so much with them, they fit just right. I can just pick up the smallest things except maybe a dime. But otherwise, I've had these for years. They've lasted a long time. The important thing about these particular gloves is they're thorn-proof. In a basic way, they're thorn-proof. You can pick up little guys like this one easily without hurting yourself. And you can't do that with many other gloves. And then working on different plants. These are thorns on the citrus right here. These right here are some of the modified leaves of the ocotillo. This is another very nice one right here. These are called spines. Look how easy it is to handle this with these kind of gloves. And then this is a rose, and these are called prickles on here. They're on the epidermis, and they're not coming from the interior of the plant. You can easily work with these things. These are great gloves, general purpose gloves for me. A little bit nice of a cuff on there. Makes it so much easier to work. When you're working with roses, though, it's a different story. And the roses, you're reaching into the plant sometimes. And as a result of that, you're going to expose your forearm. So you want to get a glove like this with a nice long cuff. These are great to be using in the garden. There are many different types of pruners out there, but this is a favorite of many people. It's scissor-like, it's long enough to reach in there. And when you're deadheading, you will use this at the very best. And what you're going to do, this is the flower stem. It doesn't help you at all to cut it right there. You want to get down inside where the new growth will come this fall. And it's a good time to be doing some of this work right now because you're going to stimulate some new growth. So I'm going to get into here very easily and make the cut right there. And as a result of that, the new growth will come out of this stronger stem right here. Deadheading is a very important thing to do. One of the other things to do is look for thrip while you're at it. Thrip, get into the flower right there and ruin it. And it's easy to control with a garlic spray. Many of these gloves have different characteristics. I like this company right here because they use recycled water bottles. This company actually uses 400,000 water bottles a year to make gloves like these. These ones will keep your hands dry as long as you don't stick them in the water. If they fit tight, that means they're just right. You want them to fit snug on you. You want them to feel like your skin and not be real loose. Some of these inexpensive ones are very effective also. You see these with the little dots on them. It helps you grip that shovel. It helps you grip the hoe. It helps you hold on to those things. The problem is they get wet and you've got to dry them every day, which is fine. Also, the leather gets wet. So that's another important thing to think about. Don't put it near the fireplace. Don't put it near something that's hot. Let it dry in a natural place and then work it again so it's soft and the leather works and lasts for many, many years. So when you're out in the garden, there are many choices of gloves. It's good to have a couple of different types for different purposes, and you'll enjoy your gardening that much more. And the right tool for the right plant in the right season, well, you can't beat that. For Backyard Basics, I'm John Drumgoole.